Pros and cons of vinyl flooring in Singapore. Vinyl flooring is available in the market in either sheet or tiles form. Probably the least expensive form of flooring, vinyl is quite popular among homeowners as it offers great value for money. Vinyl tiles come in wide range of colors, styles and designs and are equally easy to install. Before choosing any type of vinyl for your floors, you should consider all its pros and cons to ensure that you get the best deal. Vinyl flooring pros. It's no secret that vinyl floors provide a softer surface than the other typically hard flooring materials such as wood or tiles. This soft layer gives the floor more flexibility and makes it easier to stand on for longer periods of time. In some instances, the resemblance is so close that one can hardly tell the difference between a vinyl product and a stone vinyl. Well-maintained vinyl flooring can last for over 25 years. Vinyl floors are also very water and dirt resistant, making it one of the few floor types that can be installed directly over a subfloor or previous linoleum vinyl installation without requiring dismantling first. In terms of cleaning and maintenance, vinyl is your best bet as it requires absolutely no kind of post-installation maintenance. To keep your vinyl floor clean, all you have to do is to sweep and occasionally mop it. Vinyl flooring cons. The biggest problem with vinyl flooring is that it is manufactured using PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and thus it emits VOC, volatile organic compounds, into the air more so when it's still new. VOCs always lower the indoor air quality, hence affecting quite a number with sensitive respiratory systems. The good news, however, is that most vinyl manufacturers have resorted to using less PVC in the production of these flooring products. Vinyl flooring may well prevent a glass object from breaking when accidentally dropped on it, but it may not be so in case a sharp object is dropped as it can gouge the surface. You equally have to install pads on the feet of your furniture pieces so that they don't prop off the tile as when you move them around during house cleaning. Ultimately, the decision of whether to install vinyl flooring or not lies with you depending on your budget, the room the flooring is to be installed and your expectations.